Hey baby, don't you worry. I got this all figured out.
Me not turn your ass.
I told you, baby. I'm gonna divorce my wife and I'm gonna marry you. I have to. For you and for our child.
Cheyenne, look for passport that quick.
Baby, come on. What about those bleaching cream I bought for you? Look at you. You're almost a white girl, baby. Chump won't even notice you, girl.
Chump win. Me not turn your Jamaica. Here I come.
Baby, don't you dare do me like that. Please, please don't go back to Jamaica. I need you, girl.
Hello? Andrew Holness here?
Mr. Prime Minister, we have a very important shipment of the wharf urgently awaiting your clearance, sir.
So why can't the Minister of Foreign Affairs handle that matter?
Because it's your name on the container, sir, and they are directly from Mr. Trump.